Morning children, myself Rashmi Singh. I am your GK teacher of class 2nd. So you are all welcome in today's class. Today's our topic is globe trotting from chapter number 10 and our book name is Together with General Awareness. So children, we will read page number 21. Before reading this chapter, children, I want to show your course book. So this is your course book. The name of your course book is Together with General Awareness for class 2. And today's our chapter is chapter number 10, Globe Trotting. So you read about a few sides of the world in the previous chapter. Previous chapter में आपने क्या पढ़ा बच्चों? कुछ sites जैसे कि स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी, लीनिंग टावर, बिल्डिंग, फेमस टेम्पल्स, ये सब चीज़ें आपने studied की. Now with the help of the given clues, complete the following crossword puzzle. So children, here in your book is given a cross puzzle. So you have to solve it with the help of your book clues. So we will together solve this puzzle. I have written on this puzzle on the blackboard. So first is, it is the largest continent in the world. वर्ल्ड का सबसे बड़ा कंटिनेंट कौन सा है बच्चों? एशिया. So we will mark here. This is Asia. Number 1. We will write here number 1 and mark here. It is the largest continent in the world. Next, it is the most populous country in the world. पूरे संसार में जहाँ पर जिस देश में सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या रहती है वो कौन सा है बच्चों? It is China. So we write second number and put sign from here to here. This is China. चाइना में सबसे ज्यादा जनसंख्या है. Third is, it is the smallest country in the world. पूरे संसार का सबसे छोटा देश कौन सा है बच्चों? That is Vatican City. So we write here to here. Mark here. Like this. Vatican City is the smallest country in the world. Vaticancity. Vatican City. First is, I again repeat, first is the largest continent in the world, Asia. ASIA. Second is most populous country in the world is China. CHINA. Fourth is, it is the largest country in the world. Which country is the largest country in the world, children? So fourth number is, we mark from here to here. It is Russia. The largest country in the world is Russia. RUSSIA. Next, fifth is, it is the largest desert in the world. It is located in Africa. संसार का सबसे बड़ा रेगिस्तान जो कि अफ्रीका में है. तो what is the name of its desert? It is called Sahara. So we mark from here to here. Number 5. SAHARA. Sahara Desert. It is situated in Africa. Next, sixth is, it is the highest mountain peak in the world. संसार की सबसे ऊंची चोटी. It is located in Nepal. वो कहाँ पे है बच्चों? नेपाल में. Its name is Mount Everest. So number 6 we mark from here to here. And right here Mount Everest. This is Mount Everest. MOUNTEVEREST. Mount Everest. 7. It is the largest sea in the world. It is in territory of our biggest neighboring country. Is number 7. We mark here from to here. Sorry, from here to here. South Caspian Sea. SOUTH CASPIANSEA. Caspian Sea. Number 8 is, it is the highest waterfall in the world. The waterfall down from about 1000 meters high. So it is number 8. जो लार्जेस्ट आपका हाईएस्ट वाटरफॉल है वो संसार का 1000 मीटर हाइट है उसकी, और इट्स नेम इज एंजल फॉल. व्हाट इज इट्स नेम? इट्स नेम इज एंजल fall. So we mark here to here. So children, I again will repeat these names. It is the largest continent in the world. Is first is Asia, ASIA. Second, it is the most populous country in the world. सबसे घनी आबादी वाला देश कौन सा है? चाइना. So mark here second number, CHINA, China. Next, it is the smallest country in the world. संसार का सबसे छोटा देश. It is Vatican City. We mark here to here. VATICANCITY. Fourth, it is the largest country in the world. Is Russia. Number 4. RUSSIA. Fifth, it is the largest desert in the world. It is located in Africa. सबसे बड़ा रेगिस्तान जो अफ्रीका में स्थित है, that is Sahara. SAHARA. Number 5 we put here. Sixth is, it is the highest mountain peak in the world. Is Mount Everest. So we mark from here to here and put number 6 here. MOUNTEVEREST. Number 7. It is the largest sea in the world. It is in the territory of our biggest neighboring country. 7th is South Caspian Sea. 8. It is the highest waterfall in the world. The waterfall down from about 1000 meters height. Is number 8 we put here, Angel Fall. So children, today's your class is stopped here. So I hope you will be understand this chapter in very well manner. We will meet in next video with next chapter. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.